Let me welcome the all-new HUAWEI Watch GT3 Pro, and these are the features you should know. There's two variants, the HUAWEI Watch GT3 Pro Titanium and Ceramic. The one that I got here is the Titanium variant. Titanium body with sapphire watch dial, titanium rotatable crown with grey leather watch strap. Sleeker, classier and more durable. Nano-crystalline ceramic rear cover, smart heart rate monitoring, SpO2 sensor, HUAWEI True Sleep 2.0 sleep monitoring and stress monitor. Your personal health assistant. More than 100 workout modes, IP68, 5 ATM and supports free dive as deep as 30 meters. Going for a free dive? Now you can record your own personal free dive records with the HUAWEI Watch GT3 Pro. You can even answer your calls or listen to music on the go. Up to 14 days battery life with fast charging of 100% in just 85 minutes. Selling at 1,399 ringgit. Will you buy it for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Joshua. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.